Look what I'm finding. This is my experimental patch of ribes together with asparagus. There's a timing issue here that I've explained in past videos where the ribes are leafed out and they're doing their reproduction part of it. That's a jostaberry blossom right there. Let's see, I get this thing to focus. Come on. All my equipment's going to hell. So these are blossoms of the jostaberry. Right there. You got to get it quick. So the timing aspect of this is the ribes do their photosynthesis and reproduction, and while that's happening, I'm picking asparagus. Of course, ribes are an understory plant and they don't like full sun, you know, in the heat of summer. So what's going to happen is after I stop picking asparagus, it's going to grow, and it's going to grow above the plants of the ribes and provide shade. And it's kind of a soft shade because it isn't like full leaves asparagus has. It just has all these little points. So I don't even know what they call it. I should look it up. That's what I'm doing. Picking asparagus in my asparagus and ribe patch. Let's see. I probably got enough already for breakfast, but I'll pick a few more to snack on. There's one in here. I just snap them off like that. I've noticed that they like to grow out of little segments right out of this portion that's above the soil. Oh, here's a big one that got away from me. Ooh, that one's already pretty tall. That's enough.